Put a little olive oil on my hands. And I'm going to finish dimpling up my dough.
What is it?
Focaccia.
Got it.
And I'm going to drizzle a little more olive oil on that. Then I'm going to put some flaky salt on there. That's it. It's gonna go in the oven as soon as it's ready to go. I've got my oven set to 430 degrees. And then goes the focaccia. And off we go to the races.
Yum.
Okay, hit the off button and I'll pull it out. I think it's done.
Off button.
Let's see.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yes.
Boy, look at that. Oh, baby.
That is a beauty. Oh, yes, that's a good one.
Ripper.
Just before we eat, I'll put some melted garlic butter across the top.
What's that?
This is garlic butter to brush on my warm focaccia.
How did you make that?
I grated 2 giant cloves of garlic and about 3 tablespoons of butter, and I'm just gonna put it on top of the
And it smells
focaccia.
like delicious garlicness. Do you want some garlic butter?
No,
You
dogs
can't have garlic
have
butter.
garlic.
No garlic for dogs.
All right,
Yum.
that is it.
Oh, bummer. That is yum. Oh.
Oh my goodness, look at the holes in that.
That looks pretty good.
Oh,
indeed.
look at that. Yummo.
Yowza. Holes on the other side the same? Oh boy.
I think so.
Look at that. Look at
Look at
that.
those gorgeous holes.
If you like us, let us know.